6-1 for the game and the match between DLSU and Adamson. DLSU had 1 set to love, behind here by 2 points, 14-16.
Well, you know, Adamson has been really playing well. The thing is, they need to remind themselves that, you know, you need to finish. It's not just how you start a set. You need to finish it. You need to win it.
That's a great attack by LaSalle there. I heard Coach Ramil here asking for the players to come up with, as you said, quicker sets.
Yep. Because they have to take advantage, you know, they have tall players.
There we go again. Reception errors for the Lady Falcons.
You know, Adamson should remind themselves of what happened in the first set and learn from that. They have to go back to basics. They have to receive better.
And Nash had to make something out of this one. Pretty much a free ball here for DLSU. Sawyer finds the corner. And then the light of the LaSalle fans here.
The rookie delivers for LaSalle.
Christine Joy Sawyer.
Yeah, but you know, did you see that slow-mo? What a perfect set by Kim Fajardo.
It's faster though.
Yeah.
And which is what Coach Ramil wants. He wants faster sets. They saw that coming. Oh, this time Galang was there. Emnas underhands it. Another one seen by LaSalle. Soyud again. Return to center.
Stop there by Adamson.
So a couple of Lebuk Basil is coming in for Nevada to serve.
Yeah.
She will be serving for the Lady Falcons.
But that block was actually Amanda Villanueva with an
Yes.
excellent block.
All. Galang. That looks like a touch, yes, it was. Side out right away.
Well, you know, for LaSalle, you gotta take advantage of the fact also that Ada Galang, actually your best scorer, is in front.
A good set, but again, triple block. A wall set up by LaSalle. It's a good play by Adamson, though. The first time we saw a combination play, Noreen, but it just didn't go through the great wall of DLSU.
Pwesto kayo doon, okay pumunta. Huwag ka masyadong lumayo kay Pen pag papasok ka ng A. Ang layo-layo mo kaya basang-basa eh. Kausap tayo doon ha, A lang tsaka C. Malayo pa yan.
Dalawa lang yan. Dalawa lang tayo.
Sige, presip muna
Depende
tayo
lang
ha.
tayo pag-overlap.
Atake.
Abangan na si Amanda.
Yeah, defense is, you know, obviously LaSalle has adjusted also to Amanda Villanueva, who was scoring at will early on in this set.
And another point here. The barrage of points now coming LaSalle's way.
Good anticipation by Ada Galang. I wonder how many blocks she has because she has been successful in that department. Good serve.
Off the blocker. Amanda gets that point.
I was looking actually at the reaction of
Coach
Coach Ramil. And he was so,
Of Kim.
Amanda Villanueva.
Good serve. Down 2. The Lady Falcons. Well, we checked. Marine Galang, surprisingly, only has 3 blocks. Seems like there were more.
yeah.
Now, what we're noticing about Galanza is she has sheer power. She seems to have natural power.
Yeah, there are players actually
Right?
who are naturally stronger.
And the technique is getting better. But LaSalle is still ahead.
Ano mahaba yun? Saksak ka dito masyado. Kunin mo yung antena, tapos balikan mo lang. O kung dito ka mag-wave ka dito. Nandito nagpakita sa antena, mag-wave ka dito. Ready kayo dito, at dadaan ang bola.
Down na
Kasi
down.
masyado kang mahaba. Nakita mo pa kumalo na rito yan. Pag hindi mo nakita kumalo na rito, mag-adjust ka ng konti. Okay? Tingnan mo, basahin mo buto sa bitid yung katawan. Pag kita katawan, tsaka gumalaw. Ready dapat, hindi dapat malikot yung paa, hindi pwede naka-steady lang ang paa. Steady tayo sa depensa, Doray sa likod. Naparang kami.
(2019) in this prolonged second set.
Really long.
Villanueva. Back set to Gala. Playable yun, ha?
Oh, sayang. I love the fact that Ana Galang can really look at this. Look at how she twisted.
Yeah.
There
I
you
see
go.
where you're going. Yeah. She was flying left and then angling right.
Yep.
But how about that set from Fajardo to?
Oh yeah.
Diba? Parang talagang baliko na yung katawan.
Pero tailor-made.
Oo, sakto pa rin. Emnas. And I was just about to ask you, how do you think Emnas is doing here? As now replacement for Makatuno.
Yeah, Emnas has been doing an excellent job.
I think
Look
so
at
too,
that.
yeah.
You don't feel that she's a very, she's not the tallest of setters,
Right.
diba? I mean, she plays like she's 6 feet tall.
Ten or Pinella. Down one. Fajardo chooses Desiree Cheng. Back set to Pat, her favorite side. That's a touch ball. Check ball. No, they don't. Oh yeah, there you go. Lead referee. First referee confirmed. So we're tied at 21. A tug of war set to number 2.
A tug of war also between Paul.
Oo nga. Ooh, tough. Sumayot ba?
Pero, it did actually change.
Parang may
the-
direction, no?
Oo.
Nice reaction there by Galanza to save this play. Free ball for LaSalle. I was going to say, they're probably going to go quick on this one.
Desiree.
Almost.
Good effort though by Adamson.
Sir Kim D.
Kim D. 22 serving 21. Emnas. Ooh, back set all the way to the other side. To the reverse hand of Galanza, the opposite hand. Again, that's mechanically and technically, Noreen, you play the sport. That looks tougher, diba, than how it really looks on TV. You're going to the opposite hand of your attacker.
No, but still, Boom, you practice that.
Yeah, of course,
You
of
practice
course.
all positions. And that's sayang. I think that was a great set by
Yes,
Emnas.
that's why. My point is, that's why if that went in, ang ganda talaga tingnan. Katulad nung kay Galang kanina, diba?
Yeah.
Oh,
good
good
job.
force. Good to dig by Cheng. The joust. Rally here. Galanza adjusting. Soyud keeping it alive. And a free ball for Adamson, who are down by 2. Emnas with a quick. Alquino. LaSalle did not expect that.
Yeah, what a time for that to come.
And it's exactly why. It's the perfect time to do it.
You're right.
Because they didn't see it. And now Guevara, Galanza.
Yeah, that's a full front
Row,
row.
front row, yeah. And Pat, no?
Yep.
Nice dig by Cruz. And Nash waving everybody off. They go back to Galanza. See, and that's what Power can do. Power can sometimes get a touch ball or a check ball because it's just, there's so much velocity behind it.
That's right.
So, to the delight of the fans, we are tied again at 23.
Iniiwanan mo yung tao ko. Ito, block yan. May inaasa mo yung tao sa iba eh. Ha? Hindi ko pwedeng ganun. Okay, dito ka pumasok. Eh, dalawa ni Doray. Doray, nandito ka, no? Oo. Pasok mo dito, Ara, ikot na dito. Okay? Okay, go.
Another tight one here in the second set.
This goes to show really that, teams have improved. Not like last year where LaSalle basically had an easier time against the other teams.
Back to our match. Tied at 23 with Anwar Mohammed.
Strong.
A waste of a rally for Adamson, and it sets up set point for DLSU.
Just like that.
And Mohammed serving for the set.
Another great serve.
Nice dig. Nas goes to Mylene. Linda Reyes is checked by Pat.
Oh, too near.
Oh, Pat. Oh, somebody touched the net. It is checked. Oh, so ito totoo na. 24 all, ah. Kanina nung first set kasi. That's right. Huli.
Very clear. Siyempre, walang umaamin. Sabi ni Dre, what? Me? Touch the net?
Pero alam mo minsan, and I'm sure this has happened to you, Noreen, back in your playing days, meron ka mga nagagawang hindi mo napapansin na nagawa mo. Eh.
That is true
Diba?
also.
Meron talaga eh.
Oh, boy.
Amanda gets it through, and they get the lead. What a swing here.
Boy, Adamson really just showing us a lot of heart here.
Love the play of these two teams. They are giving the fans
Jessica Galanza serving for
every
the set.
single worth the admission ticket talaga.
Value for money.
Oh. Oh, and again. Oh, this one drops in. And LaSalle can't believe it. The ball was sailing out and may pectus ba? Parang wala, no? It dropped in. Let's look at it again. No spin.
It's a great floater. Yeah.
It's a floater, and it drops in, catches the line, and that gives them set number 2. What a way to end.